tour. Thank you.
Ulysses S Museum.
Well, I apologize.
There are some horses from a distance. They're magnificent, though. What?
Are they? Cool, it's a farmer's market every day. So hopefully we'll find some good fruits and vegetables in here.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free.
And you refrigerated these chocolate cream pie, coconut cream, chocolate peanut butter pie. What do you think of the farmer's market so far, Ted?
Pretty cool. Lots of stuff I haven't seen in a long time. Some California fruit, some cherry, some blackberry,
Melon, soup mix, lettuce, tomatoes, got some good bread and some eggs. You're set. Look at all these yummy cheeses. We're in downtown Kirkwood. We just left the farmer's market and the downtown looked really cute, so we're gonna go explore. There's the kitchen stuff. Cornucopia, great little kitchen things. Here's an art. Model shops are closed today. And we landed on a Sunday.
The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream.
Police here in Kirkwood, Missouri say 6 people, including the gunman, are all dead after the shooter opened fire inside a city council meeting.
grocery store is Global Food Markets. We went to this grocery store to find some Italian sausage and found this store that has different countries as their flag. I'm gonna walk through and show you. It's pretty interesting. This aisle is for Egypt, Syria, juices, Lebanon, Jordan, and Turkey. There's all kinds of food that relate to that country there. This house, Jamaica, Caribbean beans, pasta, bean rice, and soup. Dates. Got naan bread. Freshwater prawns. Wow. Shrimp. Got a lot of cool stuff, right?
Yeah.
Farm raised white shrimp.
Look at these.
Calamari.
Those look good, huh?
Tandoori chicken rolls. Yeah, they do. And look what I found. Yum.
Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow.
That snake looks delicious. What part do you think I'm about to eat?
Basically, a snake don't have parts. But if I had to call it anything, I would say it's his knee.
Great. His knee. And what are we having for dessert?
Squirrel.
Excellent.
Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So you and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than